What if the right bongo drums could change the way your rhythm feels from the very first beat? Picking the right set isn't as simple as it looks, and small details can make a big difference. In this video, we're looking at the best bongo drums and what makes each one stand out. I went through tons of user feedback, expert opinions, and real discussions across forums to build this list. These bongos come in different price ranges, and each one fits a different kind of player or situation. That's why it's worth watching all the way through, so you can find the one that works best for you. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. Let's get into the reviews. Number 6. Rock Jam Bongo Drum Set. Starting off simple and approachable, this set is aimed at anyone who just wants to start playing without spending much. It brings a full-size feel with a setup that's easy to pick up and enjoy right away. You get a 7-inch and 8-inch drum built from real wood with a glossy finish that looks clean and classic. The goatskin heads give a nice range of tones, so you can get deeper sounds from the center and sharper slaps near the edge. Tuning is handled with a standard wrench, and many people say it's pretty easy to adjust, especially for beginners. One thing I like here is the extra value. It comes with a padded carry bag, which makes it simple to store or take with you. The chrome hardware adds a bit of shine and helps with overall durability. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some users mention issues with parts breaking or heads wearing out sooner than expected. Tuning can take a bit of patience at times too. Still, for a budget option, it covers the basics well and works great for learning and casual play. It's a nice pick for kids, families, or anyone just getting into hand percussion. Number 5. Meinl Journey Series. Moving up a step, this set brings a more modern build that stands out right away. It's made for players who want something tougher than the usual wooden shells. Instead of wood, you get ABS plastic shells, which hold up well against weather and rough use. That means no worrying about humidity changes or small bumps during travel. The heads are natural buffalo skin, giving a warm and full sound that many people say feels close to higher-end models once tuned right. The sizes here are 6.5-inch and 7.5-inch, so slightly more compact than some others. Still, they offer a strong response with good volume. The rounded rims sit below the heads, which helps keep your hands comfortable during longer sessions. There's a wide range of color options too, from simple black to bright and bold finishes, so it's easy to match your style. A couple things to keep in mind. There's no carry bag included, and replacement heads can take a bit more effort to find. For a lower mid-range option, this one gives you durability, fun playability, and a reliable sound. Number 4. Meinl Headliner Series. Stepping into a more refined option, this set brings a classic look with a more serious feel right out of the box. It's built for players who want something closer to a stage-ready setup. The shells are made from real hardwood, which gives a warmer and fuller tone compared to entry-level builds. You get a 6.75-inch and 8-inch drum, both fitted with buffalo rawhide heads that respond well to both soft taps and stronger hits. The sound has good depth, and many people mention it holds tuning nicely once adjusted. There are a few finish options too, from natural wood to darker burst styles, so it can match different tastes. The hardware is powder-coated, and the tuning system feels smooth to adjust with the included wrench. One thing I noticed from feedback is the weight. It's a bit heavier than simpler sets, which can be a downside if you plan to carry it around often. There's no bag included either, so that's something to keep in mind. For a mid-range pick, this one brings a strong mix of looks, sound, and build quality that suits growing players. Number 3. LP Aspire Series. Getting into a more polished choice, this set leans closer to what many players look for after moving past beginner gear. It has a more refined build and a feel that suits a wider range of styles. The shells are made from oak, which helps bring a deeper and more focused tone. You get the classic 6.75-inch and 8-inch sizes paired with rawhide heads that respond well across different playing techniques. From light taps to stronger hits, the sound stays clear and controlled. One detail that stands out is the EZ curve rims. They're shaped in a way that keeps your hands more comfortable during longer sessions, which can make a difference over time. The brushed nickel hardware adds a clean look and supports stable tuning with the included wrench. There are a few finish options available, from natural tones to darker styles, so there's some room for personal preference. On the downside, this set is a bit heavier, and there's no carry bag included, so it's less travel-friendly. For an upper mid-range option, it offers a nice step up in sound and comfort for players ready to progress. Number 2. LP Matador Series. Now we're getting into something that feels much closer to a professional setup. This one stands out with a larger build and a more traditional design that many experienced players look for. The drums come in 7 1/4 inch and 8 5/8 inch sizes, giving you more surface area and a deeper, fuller tone. The Siam oak shells help bring out a rich sound, and the rawhide heads respond well across different playing styles. Whether you go for light taps or stronger hits, the tone stays clean and balanced, which is something many players really appreciate. The hardware is built with long-term use in mind, using thicker tuning lugs and a reinforced bass that keeps everything stable. Once tuned with the included wrench, it tends to stay in place without needing constant adjustments. The dark brown finish, paired with chrome hardware, gives it a classic, stage-ready look that stands out without being flashy. There are a couple things to keep in mind. The rawhide heads may need some care over time, and replacements can add extra cost down the line. If you're stepping into the upper mid-range, this set gives you a more serious playing experience with sound and build that match that level. Number 1. LP Galaxy Giovanni Series. At the top spot, this set is built for players who want the highest level of quality and performance. It brings together premium materials and a design that's made with serious playing in mind. The shells are crafted from North American ash, which helps deliver a strong, punchy sound with clear attack. You get the larger 7 1/4 inch and 8 5/8 inch sizes, giving you more depth and volume. The rawhide heads add warmth and character, and many people mention that the sound keeps improving as the heads settle in over time. Comfort is a big focus here too. The Comfort Curve rims are shaped to be easier on your hands, especially during longer sessions. The hardware is heavy-duty, with thick tuning lugs that keep everything stable once dialed in. The natural wood finish looks clean and high-end, with a visible grain that stands out under the light. There are a couple trade-offs. It's on the heavier side, and there's no bag included, so transport takes a bit more planning. For a premium pick, this one delivers top-tier sound, craftsmanship, and a feel that's built for serious players. Now you've seen the best bongo drums and what sets them apart. As you can see, the right choice really depends on your style, your level, and how you plan to use it. If you want to keep exploring, check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.